Benchtop planers are less expensive and less powerful than the larger industrial versions. Their portability and price is their most valuable feature. They are popular amongst carpenters and great for beginning woodworkers on a tight budget. A benchtop planer is best suited for softwoods and domestic softer hardwoods. There are many products available to choose the best thickness planers for woodworking, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best thickness planers for woodworking from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. JWP13BT 13-inch helical style benchtop planer, 120 volts, one phase. The Jet 13-inch is a benchtop planer with a spiral head cutter. Compared with other benchtop planers, it has more power and efficiency, making it a good choice for more rigorous work. A helical-style blade cuts to a smooth and consistent surface better than most other spiral cutters due to its 26 inserts. Their rectangular design makes 2 passes on the wood per rotation, giving an overall smooth cut at a more efficient pace. In addition, these are easily replaceable with quick-change knife inserts. It's also much quieter than other models, reducing the noise of its 2-horsepower 15-amp motor through its design. Other features include adjustable folding tables, 2 in-feed speeds, a cast-iron base to help reduce snipe, and a sturdy 4-post design. It also comes with a toggle switch with a removable safety key. This is a solid safety feature. It is a bit on the expensive side for the quality you are getting, but Jet provides promos that can help with that. This is one of the more unique 13-inch planers, so for that alone, it is worth taking a look. Number 2. Makita 2012 NB12 Portable Planer. The Makita 2012 Mainvrian B is a 12-inch bench table planer with a simple, compact design. Its lightweight portability is outstanding, as is its user-friendliness. It uses disposable double-edged Versa planer blades that are easy to replace. They have one of the fastest and easiest blade replacement systems on the market, making maintenance on it a breeze compared with other models. It sports a quiet, yet powerful 15-amp motor with an 8,500 RPM no-load speed. At 83 decibels, its noise factor is relatively low for its class. This is a pretty good spot to be in for its class. This is an ideal planer for producing excellent finishing, including on cabinets, furniture, and staircases. The 4-post design with cross support drastically improves overall stability, leading to less sniping overall. There are also large table extensions available for working at many different sizes. Finally, the value for money on the Makita is excellent because while it is small, it is powerful enough to handle most on-site jobs. For example, it can handle 12 inches of width with 1/8 inch depth of cut. Number 3. DeWalt Benchtop Planer. Single speed, 15 amp, 12, 1/2 inch DW734. The DeWalt 12.5-inch benchtop planer is the best budget planer on the market and is ideal for planing softwoods. The trade-off is that it is not ideal for hardwoods. Most planers at the benchtop level will find it challenging to plane hardwoods, so consider looking at the industrial section if this is your intention. It features a 3-blade cutter head and 15-amp motor with a 4-post base to reduce snipe with greater stability. It's truly the budget workhorse. The motor is strong enough to handle quite a few different jobs, and the blades are indexable and reversible for maximum use. The blades can wear out quickly, though. It's about 80 pounds, making it about average in terms of weight for benchtop planers. This is a great budget planer whose best quality is your value for a decent working machine. Number 4. WEN PL132615 Amp 13-inch Spiral Benchtop Thickness Planer. The WEN 13-inch Spiral Head Cutter Benchtop Planer has 26 blades and a fast and powerful 15-amp motor with 18,000 cuts per minute. The spiral head cutter makes for smoother milling. They've also made it easy to change the blades. While the WEN is a more inexpensive planer, it is also decently powerful. It has most of the features one expects from more expensive planers in its range. Its max cutting depth is a little short at 3/32 of an inch, but it has a max width of 13 inches and depth of 6 inches. It also has a fan-assisted dust port, which is a relatively rare feature in this range. Finally, it weighs a total of 79 pounds, putting it in at around the average for weight. This is a great middle-of-the-road option that is both budget-friendly and has a decent quick power and smoothness. Number 5. Grizzly Industrial G1033Z 20-inch 5-horsepower planer. The Grizzly Industrial 20-inch 5-horsepower planer is both powerful and high quality. 4 high-speed steel knives form the 3¼ cutter head, and power is transferred from the 5-horsepower motor to the cutter head by a triple V-belt system. This ensures maximum power transfer. You've really got one of the most powerful and robust planers on the market here, with many versatile features included for all sorts of different jobs. In addition, the polished cast-iron infeed and outfeed tables have a beautiful shine, measuring 58 inches in length for huge workpiece support. The dual bed rollers allow you to move at either 28 feet per minute or 16 feet per minute. The first is best for feeding through rough lumber quickly, while the latter is best for generating a smooth finish. The Grizzly is a great option for value for money. You get a seriously powerful planer for a reasonable price. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.